May gabihin na itong tanan. I would like to greet first and foremost our dearly beloved and well-respected Ambassador Frank Lady. Of course, my good friend, Secretary Mike Dino, and you are proud to have such a son like Enzo. And the father of my Dino also is just as proud. Beautiful, Christine, and of course, my favorite member, the fresh young face that surely gave Cebu City the fresh image that it really needs. Mayor Raymond Alvin Garcia. I'd like to greet our councils, and all the artists that are gathered here, some coming from Manila, o sa Panan, Naapay Bacolod, Magete, all over the Philippines. We're right here at the top of the world. So, may gabi, it has been said that history defines a people. Culture makes them people unique. But it is art that gives each and every one of us our soul. Which is why we must thank Secretary Mike and Enzo for putting together this magnificent march. Underlined by Alestes Lambda Apotheosis of Cebu. All that happened in the centuries that have passed have made us who we are today. Kunya mangutana ka, unsa man yung nansukuan? Ngano man na sila? Kalahi man sa uban. Because you see, there's this line in a song that was composed by Paul Melendez and others as well. Ang mabuhi ka sukuan. Nagaingon sa Manila, pagdadaghanan iatian ka, mga pagsulay kasakitan ka, kay libro ka man, kung may barudan, di pasilunggan mo pagkasukuan ka. That is who we are, and we are proud to be Cebuanos. Who are the Cebuanos? We are Cebuanos by birth. We are Cebuanos by choice and by heart. It is my wish that though we may be Cebuanos by birth, by choice, or by heart, each and every day we choose to honor what makes the Cebuano special and what makes Cebu number one. Give pride to Cebu by being Cebuanos, not just by birth, but by choice and by heart. Daghang salamat.
Dr. Gwen Garcia, Nagkakilala Mayor Raymond Alvin Garcia, Nagkakilala sa Kanakabaran. Thank you so much. It was your choice to be here with us tonight in this very important occasion. Let's give everybody a round of applause. Come on! Nagkakilala, thank you so much for being part of the grand opening, the unveiling, and of course the ribbon cutting of the Tops Art Fest 2024. Now it is your time to disperse and enjoy all the beautiful art because Tops Art Fest is officially open.